Welcome, little learners. I am so thrilled you're here today. We're about to go on a super fun, absolutely special explainer adventure together. Over the course of this journey, we're going to master 52 primer sight words. So get ready, because you are literally about to become a reading superstar.
Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are sight words anyway? Well, they're these special words you'll see absolutely everywhere in your storybooks. You know, mastering these words is like finding a magical key. It completely unlocks your ability to read all your favorite stories, from the very first page all the way to the end. So before we jump in, let's quickly go over the rules of our game. It's a fun call and response. Step 1. I'm going to read the word nice and slowly. Step 2. You say it out loud right after me. And step 3, this is important, take your time. Seriously, don't rush. We're just practicing together, and honestly, having fun is the absolute most important part of this whole shebang. Okay, I want to give you a secret superpower for the rest of this explainer. It comes from an awesome teacher tip. The absolutely crucial point is this. Try to look at the whole word at once, almost like a picture, instead of sounding out every single letter. So don't worry about each individual letter right now. Just look at the shape of the word, snap a mental picture of it, and lock it in your memory.
Level 1. The first set. Okay, let's dive into this.
Get your superhero memory ready. Listen closely and repeat loud and proud right after me. All, am, are, at, ate, like you ate a yummy apple. Be. Keep up that fantastic rhythm. Let's do the next ones. Black, like the dark night sky. Brown, like a big fuzzy bear. But, came, did, do, eat.
Yes, you are doing absolutely incredible. You literally just passed the very first stage with flying colors. Let's keep moving forward and see what else we can conquer together.
Level 2, keep going. We have some serious momentum building up right now. Let's treat every word like a little obstacle we're jumping right over. Here we go. 4, like the number 4. Get, good, have, he, into. You are leaping over these words. Let's keep that rhythm going. Like, must, new, like a brand new toy. No, now, on, our.
Wow, look at you. You are basically becoming a total word expert. Your reading brain is getting so strong, and your skills are actively growing with every single word we practice. Seriously, keep it up.
Level 3, halfway there. We've hit a major milestone.
Okay, take a big, deep breath. You're doing such an incredible job staying focused. Now, before we say these next ones, remember your superpower. Look at the whole word like a picture and just snap that mental photo. Out, please, pretty, ran, ride, saw. Let's make these next ones super fun and bouncy. Repeat after me. Say, she, so, soon, that, there, they.
Amazing. You are almost finished. Let's move to and see how this builds right into our very last and definitely most exciting challenge.
Level 4, the final stretch. This is the big finale.
This is it. This is literally the very last set of sight words we need to conquer today. Give it absolutely everything you've got. Let's use our best, biggest voices. This, to, under, like looking under the bed, want, was, well. Here are the final words. Let's finish strong. Went, what, white, who, will, with, and. Yes. Great job. You did it. Go ahead and give yourself a little virtual high five right now, because you absolutely earned it. You did a wonderful job listening and repeating today. And remember, the more you practice these words, the easier reading is going to become. Whenever you see these words in a book from now on, I want you to give yourself another high five.
Honestly, look at how much we can learn when we practice together. Now that you've got all these new words locked into your brain, I want to leave you with this final question. Which storybook will you conquer next with your new sight words? Go grab a book, open up those pages, and let your adventure begin. See you next time.